A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and read along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Tell me what shapes they will be. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know the ABCs. Alphabets and shapes are easy to read.
Alphabets all come in shapes. They are fun for you and me.
We can start with ABC, and we'll go all the way to Z. A is like a triangle, B is two semicircles, C is just a crescent moon, D is also half of C, E is pointing out to me, F is one line short of E, G is round but not completely, H is reaching for the sky, I is just a pillar of string, J is an eye but with a hook, K is made of hands and legs, L is sitting down to rest, M is standing with legs apart, N is sitting with knees up, O is as round as can be, P can hold up quite a lot, Q is circle with a tail, R rolls off just saying it, S could be a snake or spaghetti, T is more than just a drink, U is not all you can eat, V is a sharper form of U, W is twice as sharp as V, X spreads as far as it can go, Y is yawning with hands stretched out, Z just makes us want to go to sleep. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know the ABCs. Alphabets and shapes is easy to read.
plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Yes, 1 plus 1 equals 2.
No, no, no. No, no, no. 1 plus 1 equals square.
Yes, it also forms a square.
2 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 2.
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Yes, 2 plus 1 equals 3.
No, no, no. No, no, no. 2 plus 1 equals square.
Yes, it also forms a square.
Na, 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 na. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Oh, it also forms a 3. 2 plus 2 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 2.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Yes, 2 plus 2 equals 4.
No, no, no. 2 plus 2 equals a rectangle.
Yes, it forms a rectangle.
Na, 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 na. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Oh, it forms a 4 too.
4 plus 1 equals 2. 4 plus 1 equals 2.
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Yes, 4 plus 1 equals 5.
No, no, no. No, no, no. 4 plus 1 is diamond.
Yes, it forms a diamond too.
Na, 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 na. 4 plus 1 equals 5.
Oh, it forms a 5. Learning with math and shapes. Learning with shapes and math. Learning with math and shapes. It's cool. It's so much fun. Learning with math and shapes. Learning with shapes and math. So exciting. Fun, fun, fun. Ha, 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 ha. Triangle, circle, square, and star. Rectangle, hexagon, oval, and heart. Friends of the all kinds of shapes we are. Find us everywhere, anywhere, near or far.
Triangle, triangle, I'm TT. I'm triangle, I'm 3 sides pointy.
I'm circle, I'm Rora. I'm circle, one smooth line saying hello.
I'm square, I'm square, I'm square. I'm 4 equal sides, and that's true.
I'm also square, I am E. I'm a box shape that goes B.
I'm star, I'm purple, I'm star. I have 5 pointy teeth and arms.
Triangle, circle, square, and star. Rectangle, hexagon, oval, and heart. Friends of the all kinds of shapes we are. Find us everywhere, anywhere, near or far.
I'm rectangle, rectangle, I'm Coco. My 4 sides are not quite equal. Oh!
I'm also rectangle, I'm Gigi. With 2 long sides, 2 short sides.
I'm hexagon, I'm hexagon. I'm Kaka with 6 equal sides and angles.
I'm oval, I'm Lala. I'm a loose form of circle, but more pretty.
I'm egg shape, I am Pepe. But my base and tip are different and I'm here to stay. I'm heart shape, I'm O. I look triangle but more lovely with a curve just for
Triangle, circle, square, and star. Rectangle, hexagon, oval, and heart. Friends of the all kinds of shapes we are. Find us everywhere, anywhere, near or far. Shape. They're everything you see, and they're all quite related. Shape. Like a friend of a friend you made. Triangle, circle, square, and star. All around the world, we're all things small and great. Friends of the all kinds of shapes we are. Connected line by line to make it home.
Sister square.
Yes.
If I break it,
No.
what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
A rectangle.
Sister square.
Yes.
If I press it down,
No.
what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
A trapezium.
Sister square.
Yes.
If I push it down,
No.
what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
It's a parallelogram. A parallelogram.
Row, circle, row, circle.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I press it down,
No, no, no.
what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
An oval. An oval.
Row, circle, row, circle.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I break it, what will it turn out to be?
Please don't break my circle.
A semisphere.
Take triangle.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I break it,
No, no, no.
what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
It's still a triangle. A right and left triangle.
TT triangle, TT triangle.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I press it down,
No, no, no.
what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
A scaling triangle, which is still a triangle.
It's not fun at all.
But you guys are more flexible than I am. I am fixed.
Oops,
Sorry, we didn't realize. I have an idea. TT triangle, TT triangle.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I double it up and put it upside down, what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
A diamond. A diamond.
If I double it up again and put it upside down, what will it turn out to be? What will it turn out to be?
A star. Now it's a star.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. You are not fixed. You're flexible like us.
We're the Shape Family. We're a family.
What fruits are shaped like a circle?
A, apple. Orange.
Watermelon.
Grapefruit.
Lime.
Apple, orange. Apple, orange. Watermelon, grapefruit, lime. These are the circle-shaped fruits that we can find. They are circle.
What fruits are shaped like a triangle?
Strawberry.
Snake fruit. Fig.
Pear.
Grapes.
Snake fruit and pear. Snake fruit and pear. Strawberry, fig, and grapes. These are the triangle-shaped fruits we can find. They are triangles.
Wait. Grape itself is an oval shape.
Yes, yes, yes! What other fruits are shaped like an oval?
Dates.
Kiwi.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit and grapes. Jackfruit and grapes. Kiwi and dates. These are the oval-shaped fruits that we can find. They are oval.
What kind of fruits are shaped like eggs?
Mango.
Guava.
Avocado.
Mango, guava, avocado. These are the egg-shaped fruits that we can find. Custard apple. Raspberry